Hey guys, it's Mozzy. Guess what? Ordered a little part from a company called Minwin3D. It's a fuse box riser for my following video of what I want to do. But let's have some fun and let's get it done. Alright, so this is what I want to do. I want to put the fuse box a little higher because I want to run some wires. And what I don't want to do is I don't want to tap holes or cut the fuse box anyway. That's why I got this little riser. Looks like very good quality, strong plastic, very nice, looks very durable. They said it's not meant for you to keep taking it out, put it back in, keep it out, put it back in. It's just to set it once, set it done. If you need to remove it, you can remove it by the tabs here. So let's do that. So how you remove it? You from here, press down here, up, and out. This one, what they say is to make sure to check the channel here if it's dirty or any debris in here, which is not, which is good. All right, so see the 45-degree angle here comes along with the 45-degree angle here, and make sure this aligns properly. What I'm gonna do here, make sure everything fits. There's each corner, you can see there's each corner, little piece. Make sure that fits in well because they say it's a tight fit. So let's just make sure this is all in together. And then it's supposed to, once it should click in, just like that. Again, make sure I got everything in. All right, good. Now, for me to run the wires, like I said, I don't want to make any cuts or any holes in this because I don't want to mess this up. It comes with 2 slits right here to run the wires. All right, so I'll show you in a minute. So let's put this one back like so. Same way as you do OEM. That's it. It stays on. So these are the 2 channels that you can run the wire through. Come out. This way you have to drill out of here or cut this top, fuse box, everything will look at OEM. And eventually, if you do want to remove it, you just have to pop this open and you can remove this piece. So as you can see, this install only took a couple seconds, but stay tuned to find out why do I need this. All right, see you next time.